Alright, today let's talk about budgeting. And do not worry, please do not roll your eyes. It's not about spreadsheets or saying no to everything fun. Instead, it's about saying yes to the things that truly matter to you and your family. By the end of this episode, you will have a simple way to start budgeting. And I'll also share a quick challenge to help you take action this week. So, first of all, why budgeting matters? Budgeting is like a roadmap for your money, whether it's saving for a vacation, paying off debt, or covering unexpected expenses. It helps you stay in control. Think of it like planning a road trip. Without a plan, you might run out of gas or get lost along the way. A budget helps avoid these stressful moments. And remember, it's not about taking things away. It's about giving you control over where your money goes. Alright, so what's the easiest way to start? The 50-30-20 rule. I know everybody's heard about it, everybody's read it, but today let's break it down. It's a super simple way to begin. 50% of your income goes to the needs. So, housing, groceries, utilities, everything that you cannot live without. 30% is for the wants, treats, hobbies, coffee, and family outings. Now, that 20% goes towards your savings and debt repayment. If hitting 20% savings feel impossible for you right now, do not stress. Start small. Even $20 a month is still progress. Now, if tracking every penny feels overwhelming, these apps can help. Quicken. This app organizes everything about your money: budget, bills, savings, and even investments, all in one place. It is great if you want to see your entire financial picture clearly. Every dollar. With this app, you manually enter your income and the spending, which helps you stay super aware of where your money goes. It's perfect for people like me who prefer being hands on, with a budget. Good budget. This tool uses a simple system called envelope budgeting, where you divide your money into categories like groceries, entertainment, or savings. It is ideal if you like a straightforward and a visual way to plan your spending. These tools are designed to make budgeting easier. Try one and see what works for you. Alright, so here's the mini challenge. Track your spending for 7 days. This week, track every dollar you spend. No changes, just observation. Use a notebook, phone, or an app. At the end of the week, reflect two things. What surprised you? What can you cut without missing it? This clarity is the first step to creating a budget that fits your life. Alright, so if you're ready to go further, grab my free budgeting ebook. Link is in the description. It's packed with simple tips, relatable stories, and even a worksheet to help you get started. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe and share. It helps more moms find this podcast and start their financial journey. That's it for today, moms. Remember, budgeting isn't about perfection, it's about progress. Take care and keep moving toward your financial goals. Cheers.